complete backyard designed and installed by Gapsy in Smithtown, New York. Starting with the installation of a new vinyl pool. The pool size is 16 by 36, depth from 43 inches to 66 inches with a gradual slope. We built a retaining wall due to the change of grade from the neighbor's yard. We installed stairs on both sides of the pool to the raised area, and we incorporated three shear descents, three full long shear descents in the wall. The wall was veneered with El Dorado culture stones. The coping for the top of the wall and the pool, we use G36 marble, a gray natural stones, French pattern for the little patio area. At the top of the raised area. The whole backyard we installed synthetic turf. This is a special synthetic turf manufactured in Italy from a great company that makes synthetic turf for all FIFA regulation soccer field for the all European teams. The pool is also equipped with an auto cover. The all remaining yard we installed synthetic turf, creating a play area for the kids and also maintenance-free backyard. The skimmer box will cut matching marble pavers. This is the latest Gapsy design and complete installation done in Smithtown, New York.